Did you know your breakfast might be secretly sabotaging your circulation where it counts most? If you are over 60 and noticing weaker erections, low energy, or numbness down there, age might not be the real culprit. Your morning meal could be making things worse. What if I told you that by simply adding one food to your breakfast, you could restore circulation, feel more energized, and regain confidence, all without relying on pills or prescriptions? Stay with me, and I will show you exactly how to make a simple change that could make all the difference for your health. As we get older, things start to change. Our energy drops. Our bodies do not respond the way they used to. And it is easy to think, well, I guess this is just part of getting older. But here is the thing. Circulation issues do not have to be inevitable. And they certainly do not have to define how you feel every day. There is a powerful, natural solution that you have control over. Today, we are talking about how to use simple, everyday food to boost your circulation, restore your energy, and make you feel confident again. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to eat in the morning to improve circulation and feel better every day. Let us be real. As we age, we start to notice things we cannot ignore. Our energy dips, circulation slows. Before long, we are feeling sluggish by midday. Maybe your legs feel colder or you are having trouble with intimacy. These are not just signs of aging. They are signs that your circulation is taking a hit. But the good news is, you can do something about it. You do not have to just accept poor circulation as part of getting older. Small changes can make a big difference, and it all starts with what you are eating in the morning. So, what is the secret? It is something simple that you likely already have in your fridge. Citrus, oranges, grapefruits, lemons. They are packed with nutrients like vitamin C and flavonoids that help improve blood flow and circulation. But here is why it works. Citrus helps reduce the stiffness in your arteries and improves blood flow, especially to areas like your pelvis and groin. So, not only do you get a boost in energy, but you will notice improvements in other parts of your life too. Research shows that citrus fruits improve blood vessel function, helping keep your circulation strong as you age. It is easy to add citrus into your morning routine. You can start your day with fresh lemon water, grab a grapefruit, or enjoy an orange. Just that simple step could be the key to feeling more energized, more confident, and more alive. Here is something you may not hear a lot of. Aging does not mean losing everything. Sure, we feel changes in our bodies, but it is not about giving up. It is about adapting. When you start making small, intentional choices like adding citrus to your breakfast, you are not just improving circulation, you are taking control of your health. You are telling your body, I am still strong. I still have power over how I feel and how I age. This is not about fixing everything at once. It is about making one small change today that you can build on. By focusing on what you can do, you start to reclaim your vitality and confidence. As you get older, it is not about what you lose, it is about what you take back. Today, you have learned how to reclaim control over your circulation, your energy, and your confidence. It starts with something simple, adding citrus to your morning. So ask yourself, are you ready to take back your health? To stop letting aging dictate how you feel? It is time to make a small change that can lead to big results. Share this with a man who needs to hear it, because we all need a reminder that we are still in control of our health, no matter our age. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It is time to make every morning count. Start taking control of your health, one meal at a time. See you in the next video.